Welcome to Learn and Shine with Shamal. Today I have brought pomfret fish and Bombay duck fish, which is bombil, from market for Sunday recipe, Sunday special menu. So I washed both the fish nicely with gentle hands, with care, because they are really very delicate. Then I marinate Bombay fish with salt and lemon juice. I mixed it well. Now you can see Leo was waiting for fish, but I didn't give him, so he was really upset with me. Now I placed all the bombil fish on the cloth, which I was placed in the flat dish, and then over it I kept one more flat dish and mortar on the top of it. So because of the weight of mortar, that extra water got away. And then I prepared marination paste for pomfret fish, which contained Malwani masala, turmeric powder, then salt, ginger garlic paste. Then I added 3 spoon of oil, cooking oil, and the secret ingredient was kokum extract, which called Garcinia indica extract. Then I mixed them all well. After that I took all the fish and I covered all the fish with that paste, and I made sure to put inside the cuts of the pomfret fish, so that taste, that flavor infused into it. Then I made a mixture of dry coating powder, which I used while frying the fish. So that was mixture of 50% semolina, 50% rice flour, and salt, moreover chili powder according to our taste. Then I mixed them well, because this mixture is really very useful. I always make extra, so whenever I bring fish from the market, it is always available in my fridge. After mixing it well, I kept aside. Then I kneaded a dough of wheat flour, which contained oil, water, and salt as well. Then I kept it aside for 10 minutes. After that I prepared chapatis, which were really very soft and melt in mouth. Then I kept pan on the stove and put oil into it, and while the oil was heating, I took that dry mixture, and placed one fish into it and covered it with that powder nicely, and I covered that fish from all the side with that powder. Then with gentle hands and care, I put fish one by one into the hot oil and let them get cooked. When one side of the fish was completely cooked, turned into golden brown and crispy, then I flipped them with gentle hands, because if we press it, if we press the fish, it will break into pieces, and which will be not good for while eating. So when your fish is completely in one piece, it will be really, it looks really nice, and you can enjoy it very well. When the fish were cooked completely, I took them out one by one, placed them into the plate, and I served my children after garnishing it with coriander leaves, onion, and lemon. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.